Then you create a new group. Create new group. So show now see the number. Now the number starts with A. Then you start adding them. Show now see the number don't end for you. Understand? It don't end. Now 96 it be. You go check am well. Understand? Make sure you add the number. You add those number all. Then then you create a group. The number in my account. Me the number in my account. So then you press cancel. Shey una see I don create the group. Then copy the group link. Shey una see I don copy am. Then you go back to the app. Please enter the group link. Then you submit am. Please enter the group link. I don't paste am. Then you submit am. Okay. Shey una see am ba? Verifying. Back. Okay. So now they don't give me message for WhatsApp. Now. Shey una see am ba? The thing don add go 19. Understand? Shey una see am ba? My account balance don increase. So it dey very simple. So another task again where I go do. So but if you do one task, leave am like 15 minutes, then come back again and do perform another task. If you no leave am, they fit ban your account. And if they ban am, e go take you like 24 hours before they open the account. E dey very simple sha.